The second, or St. Thomas's Gospel of the Infancy of Jesus Christ. Chapter 2. Causes a boy to wither who broke down his fish pools, partly restores him, kills another boy, causes blindness to fall on his accusers, for which Joseph pulls him by the ear. Besides this, the son of Annas the scribe was standing there with Joseph, and took a bough of a willow tree and scattered the waters which Jesus had gathered into lakes. But the boy Jesus, seeing what he had done, became angry, and said to him, Thou fool, what harm did the lake do to thee, that thou shouldest scatter the water? Behold, now thou shalt wither as a tree, and shalt not bring forth either leaves or branches or fruit. And immediately he became withered all over. Then Jesus went away home, but the parents of the boy who was withered, lamenting the misfortune of his youth, took and carried him to Joseph, accusing him, and said, Why dost thou keep a son who is guilty of such actions? Then Jesus, at the request of all who were present, did heal him, leaving only some small member to continue withered, that they might take warning. Another time Jesus went forth into the street, and a boy running by rushed upon his shoulder, at which Jesus, being angry, said to him, Thou shalt go no farther, and he instantly fell down dead. Which when some persons saw, they said, Where was this boy born, that everything which he says presently cometh to pass? Then the parents of the dead boy, going to Joseph, complained, saying, You are not fit to live with us in our city, having such a boy as that. Either teach him that he bless and not curse, or else depart hence with him, for he kills our children. Then Joseph, calling the boy Jesus by himself, instructed him, saying, Why doest thou such things to injure people, so that they hate us and persecute us? But Jesus replied, I know that what thou sayest is not of thyself, but for thy sake I will say nothing. But they who have said these things to thee shall suffer everlasting punishment. And immediately they who had accused him became blind, and all they who saw it were exceedingly afraid and confounded, and said concerning him, Whatsoever he saith, whether good or bad, immediately cometh to pass. And they were amazed. And when they saw this action of Christ, Joseph arose, and plucked him by the ear, at which the boy was angry, and said to him, Be easy, for if they seek for us, they shall not find us. Thou hast done very imprudently. Dost thou not know that I am thine? Trouble me no more.